Traders, it's Friday. Woohoo! Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you make sense of these charts and succeed at trading. Today is Friday, the 8th of March to be exact. And as always, guys, we're going to start with a look back at yesterday's trades. And if you stay till the end of the vid, I'm also going to give you my trade ideas for today and the important news for today as well. We've got some big news. So let's start with yesterday. Let's start with a trade that I took, and I was buying Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, right? So why did I buy it? Well, this is the day chart. And as you can see, price is in an uptrend. Okay, as soon as we broke this level here, this level of resistance, we were in an uptrend. Okay, we're getting higher lows, higher highs. Okay, we also broke resistance. We also had a nice big bullish candle as well, and the idea is to eventually take it all the way back up to here, but I've already taken some profit on this trade. But yeah, it's still looking good, guys. Yeah, we still had a bearish candle yesterday that broke the high of this candle, so looking good to carry on up. If we drop down to the H4, because this was really my entry time frame. So we had our grey zone marked out in here earlier on in the day. Remember, plan your trade, know what you're going to do before it even happens. That will take away a lot of impulse trading. It will take away a lot of grey area for you guys as well. And we got this candle, yeah. So in an uptrend, yeah, my daily chart told me I could buy this pair. We're in an H4 uptrend as well. And then we got a nice bullish H4 candle. Again, simple price action. Yeah, this is not, I'm not reinventing the wheel, yeah, or creating electricity. I'm no Tesla, right? But yeah, simple, yeah. H4 uptrend, bullish H4 candle, entered here, stopped below here. And I literally just took some profit this morning, guys, all right? I generally take profit when I get 1:1. All right, I've closed 80% here. Yeah, you can close 70, 60, 50, whatever you like. And now I'm going to leave some profit to run. All right. And just looking at that H4 candle, guys, yeah, things are looking pretty good. So that was my first trade idea that I actually took. I also took Aussie dollar Swiss franc, and I'm buying Aussie dollar Swiss franc. We spoke about that in the live stream. And for both of those trades, I put them all into the VIP Trading Academy, which is part of our free Discord channel. All right, so check it out, guys. That's where I put all of my trades every single day. There was another couple of pairs we were looking at, euro pound. This was just a case of waiting for the interest rate decision to come out. Yeah, so we were looking to buy this pair. So why were we looking to buy it? Well, we were in an uptrend stroke range. Yeah, higher highs, higher lows. But then we find ourselves in this range. Okay. And then we got this nice big bullish candle. The idea was to take it back up to these highs. Yeah, made sense. But interest rate decision of euro, that's pretty big news, right? But if you look at the day chart, nothing's changed. Yeah, we've still reacted at this the bottom of the range. We've still got a nice big bullish wick. I will still be looking to buy this today. All right, so for those reasons, we just didn't have a trade, guys. Yeah, it was news, and we just didn't have a trade. But what I do want to show you guys is what I'll tell you is this. When people say, "Oh, this was said in the ECB press conference," or "the guy said this," or "this was said," who cares? Really, who cares? All you need to know is the following day when you wake up is that we are seeing euro strength. Who cares what the head of the ECB said? Really? Unless you're trading longer term, yeah, and you need to take into account, forecast figures and the projections of the economy, who cares what was said? All I care about is the reaction, and I can see the reaction in the charts. Yeah, and I still want to buy euro strength. The next trade idea was US dollar, Canadian dollar. And this was a case of it just didn't retrace, guys. So out of all the US dollar pairs, I really like this one. So this is the day chart. We were in an uptrend and then bang. Yeah, price broke. It broke this low. Yeah. And the big red flag for that is that it didn't make higher highs. Okay. Then we got this nice big bearish candle that broke these lows. We're in a downtrend. Yeah. And then look at that. It come hurtling down, hit our target. But it's just difficult to get into, guys. Look, if you look at the H1, you know, again, hindsight, which we don't have, you know, maybe hindsight, we could have got in at this H1 level here, even a H1, you know, here. But for me, guys, I just wanted a bit more of a retrace, yeah, a bit more value before I come lower. And that just didn't happen. But no problem. I found other trades and, you know, we were still profitable yesterday. Yeah, so there you go, guys. Those were the trade ideas from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy receiving my trade ideas and analysis every single day, then please come join the channel. We'd love to have you. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Smash that notification button. That's really important so you receive an alert. And also smash the like button, guys. It really helps support the channel and we really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Right, trades for Friday the 8th of March. There's lots I want to show you today, guys. Yeah, we've got to try and fit it all in. But before I do, let me just mention a few things. First of all, we've got our trading community, guys, which is free to join. Yeah, you've got traders just like you sharing knowledge, experiences, ideas. So come join our free Discord channel. We've also got within the Discord is the VIP Trading Academy, where you get my trade signals, you get numerous tutorials, and you get access to me throughout the trading day. Also, if you would like to be coached one-on-one, drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. And finally, guys, if you would like to support the channel, then you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member, and there's loads of perks for doing so. Itchy eyebrow. No live stream today, guys. So yeah. Right, trades then for Friday the 8th of March. So we are seeing euro strength. Yeah. So whatever was said in the, you know, because the interest rate decision was as expected, but was it whatever was said in that press conference has give the euro strength, the ECB press conference. As I said in the recap, I really do not care what was said in the press conference. What I do care about is the reaction, and the reaction is euro strength, right? And we are still seeing US dollar weakness, yeah, across all the majors. So you've guessed it, my first trade is euro US dollar buy. Okay, yeah, it makes sense. I do like other US dollar pairs. Let me just show you a few other US dollar pairs that I like, but Euro's probably my favorite. So I like Aussie dollar, US dollar. Clearly, this is the day chart. But there's a bit of resistance here potentially and here. All right, so that put me off that slightly. New Zealand US dollar, I like as well. Yeah, and I do like this one, you know, and there's a bit of room to move into. Yeah, so we like New Zealand US dollar buys and also US dollar yen. We saw a bit of strength in the yen yesterday. And yeah, I mean, we're liking this because this, you know, this broke out of this range that it had been in for many days and it literally just broke. So I do like all of those US dollar pairs. Yeah, I would sell US dollar yen. And if we get a retrace, I will do just that down to here. And they're all the same trade, really. But let me show you euro US dollar, because this is the one I like. And yeah, it's the same premise for each US dollar pair. We just need a retrace. So let's look at the day chart. Yeah, structurally, we are in an uptrend. Yeah, you don't need to be Warren Buffett to know that. Yeah, higher lows, higher highs, uptrend. We have a nice big bullish candle. Well, a few bullish candles here for the last 2 days, nothing but buyers. There's lots of buying momentum here. And the idea is just to come up to the next piece of resistance, which I see as this level here. Okay. Yeah, it could come up a little bit further to this grey zone, maybe even this 1,000 level. Yeah, it's a nice psychological level. All right, so that's what we're seeing. And this, what I'm about to show you now, guys, goes for all of the US dollar majors. We need a retrace before we go higher. So this is the H4. Maybe it comes down to this level and we get a bullish reaction. Or on the H1, you know, because it's such a bullish candle, even if price came down to the moving average 20 here, yeah, and we got a bullish reaction, I'd still be interested in buying this because that momentum is so strong. So I'm just waiting for a dip and then a candle to tell me to start buying, and that's what I'll do with Euro US dollar. Okay, and this is the same premise for all the US dollar pairs. What else have we been seeing? So yeah, let's continue this euro strength. I also like euro pound still. Yeah, so if we start with the day chart, well, yeah, let's start with the day chart. So nothing's changed from yesterday, right? Price had been coming down, yeah, and then bang, we're in an uptrend. Yeah, we've got higher lows. These lows haven't broken. This wick did not break those lows. And then we got higher highs, and these highs haven't broken either. So that is a range stroke uptrend. So obviously we want to take buys from the bottom of the range back up to here. Yesterday was tricky because we had ECB interest rate decision, yeah, but now that dust has settled, we can look to buy this. If we drop down to the H1, I'm just going to sort of follow H1 structure. And yeah, but this is what I'm going to do. Let me tell you. Yeah, so you can see H1 structure has, broke down, right? But arguably, yeah, we're in a H1 uptrend now. Okay, this is where we're at. But what I don't want to be is below the moving average 20. So what I want to see is this, guys. Yeah, price comes up, maybe we get this, and then we get a break. As soon as we get a break of this grey zone and these H1 highs, we will be above the moving average 20. The H1 uptrend will be confirmed, and then I'll look to take price back up to this grey zone and this level. All right, so that's euro pound. So yeah, there's the euro strength trades. I was also looking at euro Swiss franc, euro yen, euro New Zealand dollar, but these are the ones I prefer. And also, guys, what we're seeing in the market is Aussie dollar strength. Yeah, I'm going to do this is a arm with a big bicep to represent strength. Looks like a bronchosaurus. Is that even a dinosaur? Anyway, getting sidetracked. So we're looking at Aussie dollar strength, right? And the first one is Aussie dollar Swiss franc. Okay, so we like this. I might even have a trade here right now. I've literally just entered Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, and we'll show you that as well. So Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, yeah. We could drag this across as well. Let's make this a zone. Yeah, because it's the last daily highs. But we are storming. Yeah, that's the word we're looking for. We are storming up. Okay, Aussie dollar Swiss franc is clearly in an uptrend. Yeah, we're breaking these highs. Yeah, and we're starting to see higher lows. Right, we're in an uptrend. If I zoom in now, you can see that we had a nice big bullish candle that broke out of this resistance. Okay, so it's ticking all the boxes, guys. It's got good value. Yeah, it's not that overbought. There's the moving average 20, and we've got room to move into back up to this level here and these last highs. All right, so lots to like. If we drop down to the H4, okay, all right, let's look at the H4 first. So this is really a H1 level, and this is really a H4 level. Okay, because if we look at H4, if price comes back down to here, yeah, and we get a nice bullish reaction on the H4, then I'm still willing to buy this pair. Okay. If we drop down to the H1 now, you can see there's a level through here where price has just kept reacting. So this is more of a H1 level, and we've had a nice reaction already. what I would like to see is a break of this high. Let's say we get a candle that does this, a nice bullish candle that does that. Yeah, I will start. Well, I'm already in Aussie dollar Swiss franc, but we could potentially add to the trade. We shall see. All right, but we're already in this trade, guys. I still like it for today. So buy Aussie dollar Swiss franc. The other trade that I've literally just added to is Aussie dollar New Zealand dollar. So how can I add to it and why? So this is a trade idea, as was Aussie dollar Swiss franc. And why is it an idea? Well, we're looking to buy it because, again, nothing's changed from yesterday. We are in an uptrend. Yeah. First piece of criteria, tick. We've broken an important area of resistance, tick. We have bullish candles, tick. I like the fact that this candle has broke the high of this candle. That suggests momentum. Yeah, tick. And we've got room to move into back up to here. Tick, 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 tick. Yes, I have lost my mind. If we drop down to the H4, I mean, just, yeah, this is why I've entered. I've literally just re-entered this. I re-entered at 28. All right. Now, if we look at the H4, yeah, we're still in an uptrend. Okay. And then price come down to this level that I've highlighted this morning. Yeah. And then bang. Yeah. Look at that H4 candle. If that's not crying out for a buy, I don't know what is. This H4 candle has broken this high. Yeah. I've added again to this trade because my first target was a here 33.34. Okay. Now I've just taken 80% of my trade off at this point. All right. And then when price retraced a little bit, I re-added to this and added my 80%, but all the time I'm moving my stop loss up and I'm adding to this trade. All right, so this is how I'm rolling with Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. But yeah, I'm in this trade. I've literally just entered. And yeah, my target will be up to that blue line. All right, guys. So yeah, that's what we're looking at in terms of Aussie dollar, Aussie dollar strength. And there's still one more trade. I told you there's so many things I want to show you today. But guys, before I show you my last trade idea, if you enjoy my analysis, enjoy my trade ideas every day, please come and subscribe. Yeah, smash the notification button, and everyone, please smash the like button. Much appreciated. Last trade idea. I'm also going to show you one more thing as well, but New Zealand CAD, right? We like this for buys. So we're in an uptrend. All right. There was a bit of consolidation, a bit of indecision here, but then yesterday, bang, look at this candle. It's broken that indecision. Okay. So we're looking to take price potentially back up to these highs. All right. What I will do is aim for this psychological level here first, this 8,350. Yeah, that's going to be my target. All right. So uptrend, bullish candle, and you can see price, moving above the moving average 20 now as well. If we drop down to the H1, because this is what I want to show you. Well, no, let me show you the H4 first. So as a H4 entry, yeah, this level could be good. All right. We just need a bit of a bullish H4 candle. And then potentially we could buy this. This would be a H4 trade, right? But look at this candle. I don't want to buy that just yet. So that would work on the H4, right? But if you look at the H1, it's breaking down. Okay. So really what I would like to see, yeah, is this, that price maybe hits that level, which has become what was once resistance, becomes support, becomes resistance. We see that time and time again. Yeah, maybe this does become resistance and then we break. Okay, and at this point, the moving average 20 is coming round and we're above the moving average 20. Then I will be very interested in New Zealand CAD, because you have to remember at this point here, you will be with day trend, you will be with H4 trend, and you will be with H1 trend. Yeah, triple whammy and M15 most likely. All right. So that's my last trade idea for today, New Zealand CAD. And I just want to show you a few yen pairs. I told you there's so much I want to show you guys because these yen pairs are holding on to the last lows. Yeah, we're in an uptrend. They're just interesting to me. Yeah, could potentially, if we get a build up in structure, could be a trade. We shall see. So pound yen's holding on to these lows with this big wick. Same with Aussie dollar yen. This big wick is rejecting these lows. Does it have some more room to the upside? And the same with euro yen as well. Yeah, look at that wick rejection, holding on to those lows. Okay, so does that mean we can make it back up to here? Maybe you might find yen pairs range a bit. Yeah, because we have weekly resistance here and we have daily buyers here. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you that. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Friday, the 8th of March. It's Friday. Right, guys, first piece of important news. I know it says 2-star rating here, but I'm going to say 3-star rating. German PPI. Okay, must be aware of that at 7 o'clock. You're probably not even up yet. But yeah, that could move the euro. This is also very important. So 10 o'clock, GDP is a 3-star rating for me. Really is. So this can also move any euro pairs. All of these times are London GMT. And then if we scroll down, guys, this is time for the big daddy, big mummy news, right? We have got 130, we've got NFPs. But with that, we've also got average hourly earnings and the unemployment rate. And guys, if you're part of our VIP Trading Academy, we have a really good strategy for trading NFPs. All right, so come join the VIP Trading Academy on the Discord to check it out. So yeah, that's going to really move US dollar pairs, all pairs probably. After that, guys, well, at the same time, coming out of Canada, we got employment change and unemployment rate. So also very important for the Canadian dollar. So you can imagine the US dollar, Canadian dollar at this time. And then after that, guys, unless you trade oil, there's no other news of importance. All right, guys, there you go. I hope you've enjoyed the vid. Have a great weekend, guys, and I'll see you soon.